This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly. Blueberry structures its pricing around two clear account models, keeping costs transparent and execution focused rather than layered with confusing add-ons. The standard account rolls all trading costs directly into the spread, with spreads starting from around 1 pip and 0 commission applied. This setup is designed for traders who prefer simplicity, predictable costs, and not having to calculate per trade fees. The minimum deposit sits at a reasonable level, making it accessible without pushing traders into over-leveraging just to qualify for better pricing. For more active traders, Blueberry's Raw account is where pricing becomes more aggressive. Spreads can start from 0 pips, with a fixed commission charged per lot traded. This structure benefits scalpers, algorithmic traders, and anyone running strategies where tight spreads and execution consistency matter more than simplicity. Importantly, both accounts maintain the same leverage limits, minimum trade sizes, and instrument access, so traders are choosing pricing style rather than being locked into different trading conditions. Feature-wise, Blueberry strongly emphasizes platform flexibility and execution quality. Traders get access to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, TradingView integration, and Blueberry's own proprietary Blueberry X platform. This broad platform support allows traders to operate however they prefer, whether that's classic desktop trading, browser-based access, or advanced TradingView charting combined with live execution. The broker supports over 300 tradable instruments across Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, offering breadth without overwhelming the platform. Execution reliability is a core part of Blueberry's positioning. The broker highlights low latency order routing, deep liquidity access, and full support for expert advisors and automated strategies. Risk management tools, demo accounts, and educational resources are available, but the overall experience is geared more toward traders who already understand execution mechanics and want clean infrastructure rather than heavy handholding. On the pro side, Blueberry consistently earns praise for fast execution, tight raw spreads, strong TradingView integration, and highly responsive customer support. Traders frequently mention smooth withdrawals, professional account handling, and trading conditions that align closely with what's advertised. The availability of multiple platforms without feature restrictions is another major plus. On the con side, traders on the standard account may find spreads less competitive compared to raw pricing brokers, and beginners may feel slightly under-supported compared to education-heavy platforms. Some users also note that advanced features are best appreciated once you already have trading experience. easyMarkets approaches pricing from a very different philosophy, prioritizing cost certainty and risk control over raw execution speed. Most easyMarkets accounts operate on fixed spreads, which means traders know their exact trading cost before entering a position, regardless of short-term volatility or sudden market spikes. This predictability is a core appeal, especially for traders who dislike fluctuating spreads during news events. There are no commissions layered on top of trades, and minimum deposit requirements remain low, making the platform accessible to beginners and smaller accounts without forcing traders into complex pricing structures or high initial commitments. Leverage options vary by platform and region, but easyMarkets generally offers higher leverage than many traditional brokers, giving traders flexibility in position sizing. Just as importantly, easyMarkets does not charge commissions, account maintenance fees, or hidden platform costs, which simplifies cost planning and removes surprises for newer traders who want clarity rather than institutional-style pricing models. Feature-wise, easyMarkets differentiates itself through built-in risk management tools that are rarely standard elsewhere. The platform offers guaranteed stop loss with no slippage on supported accounts, meaning trades close exactly at the chosen stop level, even during extreme volatility. This is especially valuable during major economic releases when prices can gap. Negative balance protection is standard, ensuring traders never lose more than their deposited funds. easyMarkets also includes deal, cancellation on select instruments, allowing traders to cancel losing trades within a short window for a small fee, adding another layer of downside control. Traders can access easyMarkets through its proprietary web and mobile platform, TradingView integration, and MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Educational content, daily market analysis, fundamental insights, and Trading Central tools are integrated directly into the platform, supporting traders who are still developing their skills. Customer support is available via live chat, phone, and email, and many users report fast response times and clear, patient guidance. On the pro side, easyMarkets is widely praised for its simplicity, strong risk protection features, beginner-friendly interface, and supportive customer service. Fixed spreads remove uncertainty, guaranteed stops reduce emotional stress, and the platform feels designed for real-world retail trading rather than high-speed institutional desks. On the con side, fixed spreads are often wider than raw spread brokers, making the platform less appealing for scalpers or high-frequency traders. More advanced traders may also find execution and pricing too restrictive as their strategies evolve. In terms of reputation, Blueberry holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.7, with customers frequently highlighting exceptional customer service, fast withdrawals, reliable execution, and trading conditions that align closely with expectations. Reviews often mention professional, responsive support teams. easyMarkets holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.1, with users commonly praising helpful staff, clear communication, strong education, and a supportive trading environment, while some criticism focuses on wider fixed spreads and limitations for advanced strategies. Final takeaway: if you prioritize execution speed, tight raw spreads, deep TradingView integration, and professional-grade infrastructure, Blueberry delivers a performance-first trading environment. If you value cost certainty, built-in risk protection, guaranteed stop losses, and a platform designed to reduce emotional and technical complexity, easyMarkets offers a safer, more guided trading experience. Neither broker is universally better. The right choice depends on whether you trade for precision or protection. If this breakdown helped you choose the platform that actually fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more no-fluff broker comparisons, and click the link below to explore the broker that matches your strategy, not just the marketing.